I'm Jean-Michel, I'm the director of the I Learn America project, and I'm here in Vineland, New Jersey, to get the children of immigration of Vineland to tell us who they are. Children of immigration are here to stay, they're not issues, they're not problems. We can learn so much from them, and they can learn so much from us, right? We still speak about migration as an exception, as something which is not normal. The world has gotten very small, we move. And in some way, the children of immigration we work with are expert now at this movement. We can learn so much. I would say that they're ahead of us if we only learn to listen to them. You see what I mean? Mm-hmm. And they bring that experience that they're going through of building oneself in a new land. Wow, will define who we are. The goal is for the students to then decide how they want the stories to be shared and be used. The goal is for the students to turn their life into tools that they can use to inspire. The goal is for students to become our teachers. We can learn so much from them.
I would like to get that story out to the larger community to really change the way that we look at our students, because so often we look at our students in terms of their trauma, in terms of their disadvantages, in terms of what they lack in English or economic advantage or anything else. And what I would like to make sure that we all see as a community is just how valuable these kids are. These kids are Vineland's future, and we need to acknowledge that, we need to recognize that, we need to celebrate that. And I can't think of a better way of raising that awareness and celebrating these students than through this initiative.